Hey guys, Mike Bowers with Bowers Backyard Barbecue. Today we're going to be cooking up some of these Ribeye Caps from Costco. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I didn't have the camera going on the first round of seasoning. Let these set for a few moments. I'm going to put just a little bit more of this Meat Church Holy Gospel on it. We're going to reverse sear these, so you have to put too much seasoning on there right now. We're going to let it stay on the smoker until it gets about internal temperature of about 110. Let it inside and come and rest for a little bit until we get the smoker up to about 600 degrees. At that point in time, you put a little bit more seasoning on there if you'd like to. All right, we have the Chargriller Akorn set up and ready to go. Temperature right now is about where I want it to be at. I like to keep about 275 to 300. This will work. As far as setup goes, we have it set up for indirect cooking. As you can see, I have a deflector plate in there. I'm going to put in the grill and lay the steaks on. Okay, we're going to put the meat on the upper rack. For this, I'm my daughter, Zoe Bowers. Put this up for you. Put it on the upper rack to get a little bit more away from the heat, a little bit more. You're fine, Zoe. You're good. Get the other two. Perfect. Thank you, sweetheart. Not only can she handle steaks, the girl just beat cancer. So go in the comments, tell her congratulations. So proud of her and the fight she did. Okay, so we're gonna have them there on the Akorn. Right there's the Akorn. We're gonna have the steaks on the Akorn for probably about 30 minutes. Take it to get to about 110, and then we'll bring them in, put a little bit more seasoning on them possibly, and then sear them on some grill grates. Okay, so I'm just now getting in these vlogs and wanted to let you know a little bit about me. I started barbecue in 2003, mainly just cooking at home. I had a little master-built cooker. Really enjoyed it, and then I moved up to the UDS. I started cooking and going to different restaurants around the state of Texas, trying to find a barbecue style that I liked, and started a blog. It was originally called Guns Up Barbecue. It was Guns Up Barbecue till about 2018. I guess, yeah, from 2013 to 2018. And then I decided to make the change to Bowers Backyard Barbecue to include my family. My wife, my daughter Zoe, they travel with me from time to time. Zoe loves to help out cooking, whether that's good or bad. She does enjoy it. But here lately, I just like to cook more than I like to go out to restaurants. There's some fantastic barbecue places out there, but it's just more fun to cook at home. So I started watching vloggers. I am currently watching Babyback Maniac, T-Roy Cooks, and one of my favorites is Phil and Florence. Phil cracks me up, just a good old guy from South Carolina. So definitely go check those guys out. But this right here is my favorite part about barbecue. These steaks I'm cooking, I could easily cook them in 6 minutes tops on high heat. With reverse sear, allows it to go a little bit slow for an hour. I get to sip my drink. Enjoy the Friday night. Okay, we're about 30 minutes into this cook. As you can see, temperature is holding steady there on the Akorn. Pretty good cooker for 300 bucks. Let's see what the steaks looks like. Look at the color. Color's fantastic. Oh goodness. Let's see what the thermometer says. So we're right where we need to be at. So I'm going to go ahead and take these off, let them rest for about, probably about 10 minutes to get the fire going and see where we're at. Okay, for the searing portion of this, I'm going to set the Akorn up for indirect cooking. I'm going to take this deflector plate out. High heat gloves on, so that's nothing. I'm going to shuffle these coals around just a little bit. I'm going to open up the top, open up the bottom. In about 5 minutes, this thing will be blaring hot. All right, for the searing, I'm actually going to use my grill grates. Apologize for how dirty they are, but I'll clean them off before we put the steaks on. All flip them upside down. I like to use the flat side more than anything because it gets a nice sear all the way across. Back in a minute. Alright, so the temperature gauge showing about 550. With the grill grates going, the grill grates are usually about 100 degrees higher. So let's go put these steaks on. That fire is pretty much roaring. So I have a little bit of canola oil on there, so it's going to sizzle pretty good. There we go. Alright, we're going to do about a minute each side. A nice crust on there. Back in a minute. Alright, it's time to flip. Look at that crust. The crust is beautiful. Oh yeah. Hot. Alright, another minute. Okay. Oh. So the wife likes a little bit of blue cheese, so before we take theirs off, I'm going to put a little bit on here so it can melt in. We'll put a little bit more, maybe a little bit later. That's too hot to mess with. I'm not going to mess with it. Alright, steaks are done. We got them in the house. I'm going to put a little bit of butter on these two that don't have the blue cheese. Got those there. Then I'm going to take some foil. Lightly cover. Let it rest there for about 10 minutes, see what happens. Alright, steaks have been resting for about 10 minutes. Let's go and slice into it. See what we got. My knife isn't the sharpest. Need to take care of that this weekend. Take a look at that, guys. Perfect. All right, I think these steaks are pretty much near perfection. Got it plated up, a little bit of squash, a little lobster tail, ribeye cap. This dinner's gonna be fantastic. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and go follow Phil and Florence, Babyback Maniac, and T. Roy Cooks. Thanks, and have a great day.
These meats look delicious.